Hi everyone, RK this side, and in this video I will explain how to open account in LIS Blue free of cost without any charges. Trading account as well as Demat accounts. It's completely 100% free, even you will get more benefit. So currently LIS Blue will provide more benefit like free account opening, Demat account opening, and free 5,000 trading product, like different type of the tools he will providing 5,000, and also he will provide some stock market courses, so it will be help for the beginner who don't know about the stock market, who can understand the stock market, how can trade, how can follow all the things. So LIS Blue guide you everything about this. I'm not telling this, so LIS Blue is telling. LIS Blue is committed to train you. Okay, so also providing a free Demat account, and it will be take only 10 minutes. Okay, and also provide 3,000 trading store product. It's 100%, it's also free. Okay, so let's come to the LIS Blue account, how to open the account. So this is the link. So first just copy this link. I will give you this link in description, so you could just copy and paste into the go to the browser and just copy just okay. So when we will open, so this will be show, this will be show, that means open account free, this pop-up will open. Okay, just close it. So again it's showing like it's a free account, it's a festival offer till 31st January, and 5,000 trading products, it's also free after opening the accounts, and stock market courses is also free for you. Okay, and let's see. So most of the guy are trying to understand what should be the margin money, how much leverage provided by the broker, means what should be the brokerage. So let's review about the brokerage. So if you want to open account, you can fill your detail, your name, full name as per the PAN card, email ID, your state, and your city as well as your mobile number. Okay, so you can click open your account. Okay, so let's review your brokerage. So what is the brokerage plan? So you have two types of brokerage plan. One is the F20, it's a 5-time exposure, and it's a Trade Pro 10 times exposure. So this is the for the intraday 0.001 paisa, that means 1 paisa. For the delivery 10 paisa. If you want to exposure 10 times, if you want to exposure 5 times, it will be 20 rupees per flat trade. Suppose we are trying to buy 1 crore quantity, one quantity, charge will be 20 rupees flat. Okay, it's a free in term to 20. Talking about the future again 20 rupees, it's a flat 20. That means if you will trade one lot, one quantity, it will be charged only 20 rupees. If you want to trade more, means 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 1 crore, it will be charged again 20 rupees only. Okay, talking about the delivery, is 100% free for investor who want to invest into the equity. If you want to invest into equity, so it's good for you. It's delivery charge is 100% free, no charges, only government charges will be applicable. Okay, let's review margin calculator. This I have already opened, so this is the margin calculator. Just open this program, so you can calculate your margin calculator. What's suppose let's review about the commodity. So this is the, you can select what's the lot sizes, what's the quantity, what should be the margin money. So you can review everything, you can verify everything if you want. Okay, calculate, let me come to the option calculator. Most of the guy nowadays trading into the option. Okay, so if you want to buy one lot, again pop-up is come. Okay, so 50 20, it's a nifty lot size 75. If you want to buy, suppose you have a 10,000 and today margin like 1,63,000. if you want to buy, okay, if you want to buy, then if you want to sell, LIS Blue just charging 40,000. Okay, and other margin means margin required 1,63,000, but LIS Blue charging 40,000. If you want to buy, premium price, sorry, I need to put price. Suppose Nifty current price is 40,400, So buying price like this one, and margin required, margin premium price. Okay, so something, oh sorry, it's an option calculator. Okay, sorry. Suppose if you want to buy 14,000 something, okay, we're talking about the Nifty, so you can calculate in the same way. Suppose if you want to sell, so its a charge is 41,000. Okay, so this way you can calculate. Okay, this way you can calculate commodity, equity future, currency, option trading. You can compare. This is the margin calculator. What should be the brokerage? This is the brokerage calculator. What should be the brokerage in the equity, future and option, commodity and currency? You can calculate here. Okay, so now let's go to the next page. So first we can fill this form. Once we will fill this form, then we will receive call from the LIC Blue customer care team. So for your means open the account process, let us review about how to open the account. So first, once we will fill this form, next step we will next step we will ask like PAN number, date of birth. Okay, PAN number, date of birth. In the second step, means which type of the product do you want, like BSC, NSC, BSC cash, NSC, FNO, mutual fund, MCX. So based on your requirement, you can select this one. Okay, I will try to say like means you can select all, no problem at all, because everything free for you. Okay, different limit time, which type of the limit if you want, you can select not OP trade. Okay, you can select the brokerage plan. Next step, you can select the brokerage plan, which type of brokerage do you want, like if you want to more means exposure, so it will be select like a 1 paisa. If you want 20 rupees per flat, it's a better for investor. It's better for investor. This is better for trader. Okay, in the next step we'll ask about the phone number, email ID for the payment, but currently 100% free, so it will be not display. You can escape it. Okay, so you can put your Aadhaar number. Based on the Aadhaar number, you can put the detail, address, complete address detail. Then next step will fill the Aadhaar number, your account number, your IFSC code, talking about the bank account detail. Okay, so we need to put here your bank detail, account detail. Okay, so in the next step you can select your client details, means your full name, father name, mother name, financial detail, preference, nominee detail. So this is the complete personal detail, married status. So this detail we need to fulfill. In the next step, you can again select the financial detail, and the next step, preference, which type of the preference do you want, and the next step your nominee. Okay, then we have to upload the documents, your like a PAN card, your Aadhaar card, your IPV. Let's I will explain how to upload such type of the video. IPV. Okay, select your Aadhaar image, so upload all the documents as per the need. So again here give all the detail about the how to verify IPV. Okay, how to verify the IPV. So you can go to this video, and just means front of you you can take your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, and just click one video and upload here. Okay, upload on the link, in the same link. In the second step, just put the sign application. Okay, and finally everything has done. So e-sign services is done. Okay, and then you have received this email with complete detail and sign off. Okay, sign off, that means it's a final step. So this step you need to follow. So hardly it will take 10 to 20 minutes maximum. Sometime IPV will take some time. Okay, so I can say like if you want to process step by step, it will take 10 to 20 minute process if you have everything like PAN card, Aadhaar card, bank statement, and other details. Okay, so please again so this is the link. based on this link you can fill this form, and customer care team will call you for open and help. Customer care team will ready to help you. Okay, thank you. So let me show again. So this is the link, and this is the KYC guideline. So thank you all of you. Thanks.